Okay, so let's have this problem. So find the seventh term if the fourth term is positive 24 and the ninth term is negative 5,832. So from this problem, so these are the given, the seventh term, that's a sub 7, the fourth term, that's a sub 4, and the ninth term, that's a sub 9. Then this a sub 7 or the seventh term is the unknown. Then for a sub 4, that's 24. And the ninth term, it's negative 5,832. Since this problem is a geometric sequence and observe that from this given, there is no first term or a sub 1. So to solve for this problem, we're going to use this formula. So just replace a sub 1 by a sub m, then times r to the power n minus m. Then take note that n is greater than m. So from this given, we have a sub 4 and a sub 9, and we all know that 9 is greater than 4. So therefore, n is equal to 9 and m is equal to 4. So this a sub 4 is a sub m and this a sub 9 is a sub n. Then since there's no given common ratio, so we need to solve first for r or the common ratio from this formula. So we have a sub n, that's negative 5,832, then equals a sub m, that's 24, then times r, this one is the unknown, to the power n, and n is equal to 9, then minus m, so m is equal to 4. Then to solve for r, so we need to divide both sides by positive 24. So cancel, and this negative 5,832 divided by 24. So we have negative 5,832 divided by 24 equals, that's negative 243. So this one is negative 243, then equals r to the power 9 minus 4 to the power 5. Then to solve for r, since the exponent is 5, so we need to take the fifth root for both sides. Then cancel this 5 and this root. So r now is equal to, so to find the fifth root of negative 243, so using calculator, so we have 5, then shift this x root, then negative 243, so that's the fifth root of negative 243, then equals, so r is equal to negative 3. So the common ratio is negative 3. So since we have now the common ratio, so we can solve now for the seventh term, that's a sub 7. So solve for the seventh term, so a sub 7. And we have two options to solve for the seventh term. So first option, using the seventh term and the fourth term, and since 7 is greater than 4, so therefore 7 is equal to n and 4 is equal to m. So this a sub 7 is a sub n. Then to solve now for the seventh term from this formula, so a sub n is a sub 7, then equals a sub m is a sub 4, so that's 24 times r, r is negative 3 to the power n is 7, minus m, so minus 4. Then we have 24 times negative 3 to the power 3. Then simplify, so 24 times negative 3 to the power 3, that's negative 27. So therefore this 7 term, so multiply this 24 and negative 27. So we have 24 times negative 27 equals, that's negative 648. So the 7th term is negative 648. Then the other option to solve for the 7th term using this a sub 7 and a sub 9. Then since 9 is greater than 7, so therefore n is equal to 9 and m is equal to 7. So this a sub 9 is a sub n and a sub 7 is a sub m. So to solve now using this formula, so a sub n, that's a sub 9, so negative 5,832 then equals a sub m is a sub 7, then times the common ratio is negative 3 to the power n, that's 9, minus m, that's 7. Then we have negative 5,832 then equals a sub 7 times negative 3 to the power 2. Then simplify, so we have negative 5,832 equals a sub 7 times this negative 3 to the power 2, that's positive 9. And to find the 7th term or a sub 7, divide both sides by positive 9, so cancel. So therefore the 7th term, so we have negative 5,832 divided by 9 equals, so that's negative 648. So the 7th term is equal to negative 648. So we have the same answer.